Boxwall versus tube flood barriers, Thailand's modern flood solutions. Thailand faces seasonal flooding every year, making flood protection essential to safeguard homes, infrastructure, and businesses. In this video, we'll explore two innovative flood protection systems, Boxwall Flood Barriers and Tube Flood Barriers. Both offer efficient flood defenses, but each has strengths suited to different terrains and flood types. Let's dive into how they work and where they can be best applied in Thailand. The Boxwall Flood Barrier is a compact, mobile flood defense designed for quick deployment and ease of use. It's lightweight but highly durable, capable of withstanding moderate floods by utilizing the pressure of floodwater to stabilize itself. Boxwall barriers are particularly useful in urban environments, where even terrain like city streets, marketplaces, and commercial properties need protection. In Thailand, areas such as Bangkok's business districts, Chiang Mai's historic roads, and Ayut Thai's central streets could benefit from this type of protection during seasonal floods. Available in two sizes. 500mm unit provides protection up to 50 centimeters high, weighing just 6.2 kilograms. 1000mm unit protects against floodwaters up to 1 meter high, with a weight of 15.2 kilograms. Because boxwalls are ideal for flat surfaces like paved roads, they are perfect for cities prone to flash flooding or river overflows, such as those along the Chao Phraya River. Boxwalls can be reused, easily stored, and require minimal setup, making them a cost-effective and practical solution for ongoing flood risks. Next, we have the tube flood barriers, which are versatile, water-filled barriers designed for larger-scale floods and more variable terrains. Tube barriers can be deployed rapidly across vast areas, providing a strong defense against rising floodwaters. In Thailand, these barriers are particularly useful for more severe flood zones, such as riverbanks and coastal areas. Regions like Phitsanulok, Nakhon Sawan, or even the coastal provinces of Phang Ngo and Surat Thani would greatly benefit from these barriers during the monsoon season. Tube barriers come in several sizes to accommodate different flood types. Single tube systems. Height, 50 centimeters to 1 meter. Best for localized floods or protecting individual properties. Twin tube systems. Height, 1 meter or more. Best for widespread flooding in urban or rural areas. Megatube systems. Height, 1.5 meters or more. Best for major floods, such as those from rivers, coastal surges, or large industrial sites. These barriers are best suited for both flat and slightly uneven terrains, like rural fields, riverbanks, or construction zones, making them a versatile choice for flood-prone provinces in Thailand. Tube barriers are also an excellent choice for protecting large areas in a short time. A 1,000-meter flood barrier can be set up by a small team in just a few hours, providing immediate protection against severe floods. Both Boxwall and Tube flood barriers offer valuable flood protection, but each shines in different conditions. Boxwall flood barriers are perfect for city streets, marketplaces, and urban environments where the terrain is even and flooding tends to be moderate. Areas like Chiang Mai's Old City, Bangkok's roads, and Ayut Thai's historical streets can benefit from the quick and reusable protection they provide. Tube flood barriers excel in wider areas, including riverbanks, coastal zones, and fields, where the floodwaters are more severe. Provinces like Phitsanulok, Nakhon Sawan, and Trang can use these barriers to protect against significant river and coastal flooding. Both systems are far more efficient and adaptable than traditional sandbags. They are quicker to deploy, reusable, and much easier to clean and store after use, making them smarter, long-term investments in flood-prone areas. While Boxwall flood barriers and tube flood barriers are highly effective on their own, they can also be used alongside traditional sandbags for enhanced flood protection. When deployed as a first line of defense, these modern barriers buy valuable time for emergency services to evacuate people from affected areas or to build additional flood defenses if needed. For example, in Thailand, where fast-rising floodwaters can be a threat, using Boxwall barriers or tube barriers can slow down the flow of water, providing time for emergency personnel to safely guide residents to safety. In situations where further protection is required, sandbags can be used as a second line of defense behind the boxwall or tube barriers. This layered approach ensures that floodwaters are kept at bay for longer, reducing damage and helping emergency services manage the situation more effectively. Combining these methods is ideal for both urban areas and rural flood zones across Thailand. Areas such as Sukhothai, Nakhon Sawan, and the Chao Phraya River Basin could benefit from this combined approach during the flood season, offering communities greater protection and time for necessary evacuation efforts. In addition to boxwall and tube flood barriers, several other innovative flood barriers are now being used to improve flood defense around the world. AquaFence Flood Barrier, a mobile flood barrier system designed to protect against high water levels. It is stabilized by the pressure of the floodwater and can be deployed quickly in urban environments or around critical infrastructure like power plants and airports. NOAQ Boxwall, a similar system to the Boxwall, this flood barrier is specifically designed for flash floods and is lightweight and easy to transport. It's ideal for urban areas and uneven terrain. Inflatable water barriers, Watergate. These are water-activated barriers that inflate upon contact with rising floodwaters. They are quick to deploy and can cover long stretches, making them effective for use along rivers or coastlines. Muscle Wall, a heavy-duty, plastic flood barrier that can be filled with water or other materials to withstand significant flood pressure. Its interlocking design makes it highly durable and capable of covering large areas. Tiger Dam, this barrier uses water-filled tubes to create an instant dam and is highly effective in areas with soft ground, like riverbanks or wetlands. It's used extensively in flood-prone regions due to its versatility and ease of deployment. These modern systems, when combined with traditional methods like sandbags, provide a multi-layered flood defense strategy that maximizes protection against rising water levels and flash floods. To help Thai people prepare for floods with advanced solutions like Boxwall Flood Barriers, tube flood barriers, and other modern flood defense systems, they can purchase these products from a variety of sources, both locally and internationally. Here are a few places where these flood barriers can be found. 1. Boxwall Flood Barriers, NOAQ. Manufacturer, NOAQ, Sweden-based company. Product, the NOAQ Boxwall is a lightweight and freestanding flood barrier that uses the weight of water to stabilize itself, designed for urban areas and flat terrains. Website, NOAQ Boxwall. How to buy. NOAQ supplies its Boxwall products directly through its website or via authorized distributors globally. Contact them to find a distributor that serves Thailand or for direct purchasing options. 2. Tube flood barriers. Common suppliers. Tiger Dam, a leading supplier of water-filled tube flood barriers, often used for temporary flood protection. Website, US Flood Control. Contact, you can inquire through their website about international shipping or distributors in Asia, Thailand. Watergate, a quick-deploying water-activated barrier system made by Megaseka. Website, Megaseka Watergate. Contact, available for direct sales through their website and shipped globally. 3. AquaFence Flood Barriers. Manufacturer, AquaFence, Norway-based company. Product, mobile flood barriers designed to be quickly deployed for protecting urban infrastructure, airports, and commercial properties. Website, AquaFence. How to buy. AquaFence works with global distributors and can provide solutions directly through their website. They have provided flood solutions in various parts of the world, and you can inquire about distributors or shipping to Thailand. 4. NOAQ Boxwall, for flash floods. Manufacturer, NOAQ. Product, a variation of the Boxwall designed specifically for flash floods, lighter in weight and highly mobile. Website, NOAQ Boxwall. How to buy. This product is available directly through NOAQ's website, or you can contact them for information about local distributors and shipping. 5. Inflatable water barriers, Watergate. Manufacturer, Megaseka. Product, Watergate barriers are inflatable, water-activated systems designed for quick deployment in both urban and rural flood zones. Website, Megaseka Watergate. How to buy Megaseca's Watergate barriers are available for direct order through their website. They ship internationally and may have distributors that serve Southeast Asia. 6. Muscle Wall. Manufacturer, Muscle Wall. Product, a heavy-duty modular flood barrier system made from durable plastic that can be filled with water for stability. Website, Muscle Wall. How to buy a Muscle Wall provides their products directly through their website. You can reach out to them for information on international shipping or for possible distributors in the region. 7. Tiger Dam. Manufacturer, U.S. Flood Control. Product, water-filled tubes that create an instant dam, ideal for temporary flood protection in areas with soft ground. Website, Tiger Dam by U.S. Flood Control. How to buy Tiger Dam barriers are available for direct sale through the U.S. Flood Control website. They offer global shipping and may also have partnerships with distributors in Southeast Asia. Local contacts for Thai buyers. Flood Control Asia. This company provides flood protection systems throughout Southeast Asia and might have access to several of these solutions. They deal with large infrastructure projects and community flood protection. Website, Flood Control Asia. Contact, inquire on their website for regional support and flood solutions in Thailand. Thai government procurement. For larger infrastructure projects or community-wide flood defences, the Thai government, through the Royal Irrigation Department or Department of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation, may work directly with suppliers to procure these barriers. For Thai buyers, purchasing these systems will depend on the scale of protection needed and potential partnerships with regional suppliers or distributors. 1. Local distributors and suppliers. Many flood barriers, including Boxwall and tube flood barriers, are available through local suppliers in Thailand that specialize in flood protection and water management systems. Thai flood control equipment distributors. Local companies in Thailand often sell imported flood barriers like Boxwall, AquaFence, and tube barriers. These suppliers often work with businesses and government agencies to provide large-scale flood protection solutions. Construction and safety equipment retailers. Some large hardware and construction supply stores may stock flood barrier systems, particularly during the flood season. Companies dealing with civil engineering products may also offer custom orders. Buyers should ensure that any flood barriers they purchase come with a guaranteed warranty. This warranty is crucial for protecting against defects, ensuring long-term durability, and providing peace of mind that the barrier will perform as expected in flood emergencies. Always check the terms and conditions of the warranty, including the coverage period, replacement policies, and support services, to ensure you are fully protected when investing in flood defense systems. Whether you're protecting against floods in cities or rural areas, modern solutions like Boxwall, tube barriers, and other innovative flood barriers provide crucial time and protection to save lives and properties. If you enjoyed or found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel, and remember to enjoy your day and stay safe.